You just saw the answer.
A Likert scale is a psychometric scale commonly involved in research that employs questionnaires. It is the most widely used approach to scaling responses in survey research, such that the term is often used interchangeably with rating scale, although there are other types of rating scale.
It was founded by Francis Likert, an American social scientist in 1932. Here is an example. Now let us see how Likert scale helps in data analysis and interpretation. In this example, we will take the data collected from 40 people. In first column, we will take respondent IDs and allocate subsequent columns for 10 different questions. Enter respondent IDs from 1 to 40 in column 1 and their response to each question in further columns. Feed data for all 40 respondents. Fast forward. After feeding the entire data, scroll down and enter count, not answered and total in first column. Now use the conditions, count A, count blank and sum to calculate their answers. Next we need to count the no of respondents to different scales. Scroll down further and enter strongly agree, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree in first column. Next we need to count the no of respondents to different scale for first question. Use the count if condition to calculate the common response for each scale. Now calculate the total for all the scales using sum. After calculating in absolute numbers, we will now calculate responses to each scale in percentage. Enter strongly agree, agree, disagree, and strongly disagree in first column and calculate their percentage and total. Now select the calculations for first question and drag the cursor till 10th question to obtain values for all questions. Open a new sheet. Copy the first row and total from sheet 1 and paste special in sheet 2. Remember to select values and transpose every time you paste in the new sheet. Now copy the percentage values to each scale for all questions including the total and paste special in sheet 2. Change the decimals to percentage. Now customize the table to make it look presentable. Convert the headings to bold. Use the wrap text option. Next, increase the row width, centralize the values and fill color for the headings. Increase the width of all rows. Select all data and insert thin line black border for better presentation. Finally, convert the text in total columns to bold. From this tabular data, we can now obtain graphs and charts using different options in Excel. Select first 2 rows from the table representing the answers to first question. Remember to select only the scales and not the total values. Insert a bar graph. This graph represents the data for first question. Right-click on the border and you will be able to see various formatting options. You can also change the graph type and format it according to your preference. That's it. Thank you.